This is Disney's Art of Animation Resort, a Cars-themed family suite in Lake Buena Vista, Florida. This was room 1731 and was considered a value resort within the Disney bubble. The family suites sleep six. They include a bedroom with one queen-sized bed, one double-sized convertible table bed, one double-sized sleeper sofa in the living room area, as well as two bathrooms. One had an actual bathtub, and the suite had a kitchenette. See the link below for Disney's resort page and consider clicking the like button if you enjoyed touring this room.